This is Young Lee from Smart Art by Young Lee. This photo reference seems to be a real life model and life drawing or life painting situation. This model is not like a photo model. He's an ordinary man, sits in a studio to pose for artist drawing and painting. So the lighting condition, how the photo shows, it fits really perfectly for live drawing. That's why I chose this photo reference to make a tutorial video for me. And I want to create a drawing similar to the live portrait. I really recommend you guys also use this photo reference to practice. You can really feel like you are sitting in a studio with a real life model. So I'm going to draw this guy as if I am in a studio with very good lighting situation. Usually when you draw at the easel on board with a bigger paper, then probably block-in method is better to start with. Block-in method is you can fix the point of the top and how big you want to make the head, and then you will divide each face features with a line, and the measurement is important here, and you will block the features with outline, and then you will start to shade and make the basic volume. So this is the block-in method, and I'm now doing a small drawing on my sketchbook, and the sketchbook is on my table, so it's not a big drawing, and I'm very sure in this case you can use both Loomis method and block-in method. So I'm going to mix both of them, and let's get to start. The middle point of the side face is the same here, and the part of circle indicate the side face, especially the side face of where the eye socket begin and the cheekbone begin. From here we have to find the edge, of course. So this could be the eye socket. He's slightly turned his head back and also to his left side. So this could be the middle line of the face. And from here we can cut the nose. So now I'm blocking in the form in a shadow form because these shadow forms indicate the features form. You can watch how I go further with these dark blocks so that the 3D effect will be made through this method, and this drawing is going to be more and more three-dimensional, and the volume of the whole and each features will be made. So I made the big volume and the base shading. I'm going to make the second part of this drawing process and tutorial, and there I will show you more and closer how I proceed, all the features, details, and I will explain more about the dark flow that is made by the light source. So I hope I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.